Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve this beautiful hair. You guys know that I'm obsessed with my curly hair. I love curling my hair, and I always wanted to achieve the perfect beachy waves, but I just couldn't find the right tool for some reason. So for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a review on the Duvolle Desire Series Professional Curling Wand, and I'm so excited. When I got this on the mail, I got the 32 mm, so I do have a 70% discount code for you guys, which is Andrea R, and I think that's amazing. 70%, like, hello, for this beautiful hair, thank you. So I love the box. I love that it's black with like pink details. You have the name, and you have the website, and you know, the recycling, stuff like that. So when you open it, you just slide it out, and this is how it comes. It comes with like a plastic cover, but because I already used it, I don't have it anymore. But it does come with a plastic. So you guys can see that it's a black ceramic with the pink handle. You have your on and off button here. And if you take this white part off, here, I'm just trying to not drop the curtain one. So when you take this off, you get the cord, and so I think it's really nice that it comes with a glove. If you're a beginner, definitely wear your glove, because I didn't, and I learned the hard way so many times, and I still do, but I just find it really uncomfortable because I cannot feel my hair, and it's just like I just have to, you know. Anyways, so yeah, it comes with a glove, and you have your instructions, and you know, the how to maintain your wand and stuff. So I think that's really helpful. So again, here's the curling wand. I got the 32 mm barrel, and they do have the smaller one, but I went for this one because again, I wanted to achieve some really like loose beachy wave, like curly hair. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just so pretty, so effortless, and you look so beautiful, so girly, and I love it. And honestly, I love it. This is probably gonna become my favorite styling tool because I really do love it. And yeah, now I'm gonna let you guys with the video so you guys can see how I curl my hair. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see this baby in action again, or maybe if you guys want me to recreate this look, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.